Hey guys, in today's video we'll show you how to rotate your video and flip in CapCut. Ensure that your video is loaded on the timeline in CapCut. Now select video clip you wish to rotate or flip and look for the icon resembling two triangle above the timeline. Click on the icon to flip or mirror the selected video. Adjacent to the flip or mirror icon, locate the rotation button. Click on the rotate button to rotate video by 90 degrees. Continue clicking until you achieve desired orientation for a video. Now preview your rotated or flipped video to ensure it meets your requirements. You can make further adjustments if necessary. And once you are satisfied, you can save project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.